Hi everyone, my name is Diana and welcome to the world of viewneo. Today we are going to be talking about the new SignageBox and, to be precise, the second generation of 4K SignageBox. Very briefly, we can use our player to bring a wide variety of content to any conventional screen and turn it into a dynamic information terminal. This includes, for example, such content as news, sales promotions, or employee communication. We can play the content on individual screens or entire video walls with resolution from HD to 4K. We can manage and create our content online in viewneo and transfer it to the player via VLAN or network cable. Let's unbox it and take a look at what is new and what has changed. So first we can see that box has become a lot more smaller. And this is what we have inside. First we can see the signage box, and we can see that there is no antenna anymore as in the previous generation, because antenna is actually integrated inside. We have two cables, power supply and HDMI cable. And of course, a quick start guide to help you. And player itself, you can see the 3 USB 2.0 host, 1 HDMI 2.0 out, 1 AV, 1 power supply, and 1 SPDIF and 1 LAN. But what exactly has changed technically is we have a more stronger processor installed. We have 4 GB of RAM and we have a new Android 9, because previously we were using Android 5 and now it's Android 9 operating system. And now we will try and set it up, and we will be using the new way to do it with our viewneo companion app that you can download it on your phone. So let's try it. And now that we have our setup, our screen, we can now show you how to connect it via our companion app. So first you need to connect, of course, your SignageBox to the power supply, and then to this cable and to the screen. So after we logged in into the app, we can see our groups and we can create a new one. For example, Restaurant 2, we can select our playlists. We can select our time zone, update interval, and rotation. So after you've done setting up all of these things, you can save it. Okay, now we have our group Restaurant 2 and we can connect it to the device. Click the plus button on the right top corner and then enter the activation code. So we will name it Restaurant. And the activation code is showing up on the screen. After you enter the activation code, click Save. Okay, now the screen is showing our playlist that we selected. If you want to change your playlist, you can just go to your groups, click Restaurant, and here you will see the device, app version, OS, group, and playlist. Click here and you will see all of the playlists that you have made, and just choose the one that you would like to show. Click Apply, and it will show up on the screen right away. Don't forget to click Save. Now that's it for setting up the viewneo player with our new companion app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.